In this video, we're going to talk about how do you create viral video hooks using AI in seconds. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. Now, what's a video hook? I want you to watch this video. Do not stop doing everything. Stop scrolling. Stop using your phone. Watch this video with me. So the first 3 seconds, again, let me show you the video, 127 views. It has a lot of views, especially on Facebook. But look at this, the first 3 seconds, this is all done by AI. And it's really, really interesting and kind of unusual. The guy has a dog in his car. Here is another one. Guy working on the laptop, and there's a dog in the car, right? That is unusual. And then it kind of cuts into the actual meat of the video, right? But it is relevant because the video is about iPhone tips and tricks, right? And you see a guy using his phone in the car with the dog, and then it kind of for the first 3 seconds. So that is the video hook. And I'm going to show you how you can make something similar using AI in literally seconds. And I use this a lot. It always helps me capture attention, hook people in the first few seconds, right? All right, how do you make this? Let's jump into the step-by-step. The tool we're gonna use is called HeyGen. I'll make sure there's a link below in the description. Yes, my affiliate link, but this is one of my favorite tools. Actually, this is one of the best tools to create avatars. A lot of people, so you can turn any idea, scripts, images, ideas, PDFs into videos, and they're hyper realistic. Like you can't tell if it's AI or you. Now, let me show you, let's log in and let me show you. It's actually really, really easy because they have a brand new feature. Here I am logged into my HeyGen account, and you'll see right here option for avatars. A bunch of options here. If you go to avatar, and this is where you can actually create your digital avatar. You can see I've created several of mine. And then using these avatars, you can create videos, long videos, short videos, full like multiple minute videos. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create the video hook, the short, like first 3 or 4 seconds. That's a focus of today's video. But this is where you go if you wanna create a new look. You just upload your photos, or you can design with AI. Let's say if I wanted to design with AI, I will just kind of pick one of my photos, and I can describe what I want, and it will create the digital avatar for me. But now click on avatar shorts, because that's where we're gonna create the viral video hooks. And you can see I've done a bunch of these, and these are actually unbelievable. For example, this one, I'm gonna get back to work on my laptop, and I'll be here for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna head back to the office. Right, so only 4 seconds, but again, the purpose of this is it's a video hook that I can use in my videos again and again and again, right? And this, for my channel, I make a lot of videos about tech, iPhone, AI, and this makes so much sense. It just, instead of sitting on a desk and creating the hook, I'm using AI to make the hook interesting. Here is another one. Listen, if you want to grow on social media, you have to follow a 3-step process. If you want to grow on social, you can see the dog moving in the background. Here's another one. What's really interesting is with this one, you can hear the car is moving. You can hear the noise in the back. So unbelievable stuff here. Now, let me show you how to make one. So I'm going to remove this, and actually really, really simple. You're just going to click here to add avatar. By the way, you can also add different scenes if you want. And here are some of my avatars that I've created. Here are public ones. If you want to use, let's say if you have a faceless channel, you do not want to use your face, fine, you can use one of these guys. Here are some that I have used recently. So multiple avatars. So let me use this one again. And then inside that avatar, I have like several different looks that I've created. So for example, let's use this look. And now just describe the video that you want. So wide angle of me sitting in the gym on a bench working on my MacBook. There are people in the background working out. I'm in the gym, trousers, and blue gym hoodie. So instead of blue, I'm going to do red. And then iPhone style video, right? Now I want this video vertical. You can change these at the different settings. You can play with 720p, 1080p, up to you. And then here, if you can make longer videos too, you can make 15-second videos. But since my intention here is to just create the first few seconds interesting, make a hook, that's what I want to do. There are people in the background working out. I'm just going to say one person has her dog in the gym with her. I just want to make it interesting, right? Let's see what it does. And then click here. Let's see, everything looks good. Or 4 seconds. Yeah, that's the minimum too. And now it's going to start working on this video. You can see I've done several of these. Literally in just a few minutes, your viral video hooks that you can use again and again in the beginning of your video. It's always, if you listen to different people who are sort of video marketing gurus or content creation gurus, they always tell you to focus on the video hook, the first 3 seconds of your video. And here's a tool you can use to actually make it interesting, make unlimited different scenes, think of different ideas, brainstorm with your team. You can use your own face, or you can use different faces, and you can create unlimited looks. Here's the one I've done. This is actually pretty neat. I have a black cat sitting in the car.
Listen, if you want to grow in social media, you have to follow a 3-step process. So these steps are A, B. Listen, if you want to grow in social...
Here's another one.
Listen, if you want to grow on social media, you have to follow a 3-step process.
What's really interesting is, I don't know if you noticed, I'll play this again. Watch the screen of my laptop here, and I hope you can hear this.
And if you want to grow on social media, you have to follow a 3-step process. Most people's steps are A, B. Listen, if you want to grow on social media, you have to...
So it is so good. It's actually showing me working on the laptop. The screens, actually, it looks like I'm editing a video or something. Let's pause for a few seconds, and I'll come back when the video is done. All right, are you ready for this? It is done, and it is actually unbelievable. So let me play this for you, and then we'll watch it together one by one. We'll discuss what's happening.
Every morning the sun rises without being asked. It doesn't wait for permission or wonder if it's a... Every morning...
So remember I said put a dog in the background, and look how realistic this looks like, right?
The sun rises without being asked. It doesn't wait for permission or wonder.
But really good guy working on the laptop in the gym, and now I can use this as a hook the first few seconds of my tech tutorials, my tech videos. This is just
every morning
so good. Let's go back, and again, HeyGen, and you want to go click on avatar, and then I was using their feature avatar shorts. By the way, it uses SeeDance 2.0. I believe that's the model they're using. But for anything, for AI avatar, faceless avatar, your digital twins, HeyGen is the best platform. I'm going to have a link below. Let me know if you have any questions. And by the way, I'm planning on doing more videos like this, simple tutorials about AI, how to use them to grow your business, your brand, your content. So make sure you follow before you leave. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.